You're tapping already. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess who we have here? My pretty model. So we're gonna be doing hair and makeup transformation as per usual. You know how we do it here. So in this video, I'm using hair from Eva Hair. Beautiful hair, as you can tell. Look at that front. Really nice. So it's HD lace frontal. So very soon, my girl, she's gonna be poppy. Cover the hair for the frontal application. This is gonna be called. Oops.
I always try to do it at home.
Is it?
It never works out.
To be honest, this is not easy to do it by yourself. All your hair is covered up. It's brown enough. You might not even need foundation to kind of blend it, but I'll just use foundation just to make it more even. This one is definitely your color. This one cannot be the highlight color. Yep. And there's another color here. It's looking like this one can be the highlight color. This one is definitely long. It's two. Yeah. I think 450 will be a good color match. Yeah, so guys, we're gonna be using color 470. Okay. Color 470 will be the shade. So let's do the hair first. Let's cut the lace. Then before we melt it. Yep. Melt that lace. Like so I can apply the glue. Gonna lay the hair. Lay it. Yep. Hey girl.
Hi.
Hey. Upcoming. My mama born me, and I beautiful too. Wow. Oh. Hey. Hey, it's late, so now we're gonna tie it so it's gonna go more popping by the time we take off this. Yes, so we're just shaving the brows. You guys know me. Brows have to pop.
I love it.
Prep and prime, MAC. It's nice.
It's 470.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get it.
Yeah. Buy a MAC powder, end of the 45. It's a little bit lighter than this color, so it's gonna balance it up. So use it on top. Face is already like defined. I'm gonna bake this banana powder. Yeah, that's it. So this one is deep dark. So Rimmel brow pencil. Brow wax, brow set, brow gel, brow lightener. So people call it brow lightener. You can see that hair. So the hair is sticking out.
A little bit.
It's the hair. The hair is not.
Oh, like the actual brow, yeah.
Let's start with a peachy color. Then here. It's gonna be like a peacock. Like it. You know what? I'm trying to do things that are very different from what I normally do, which is good.
It's like a fire.
You know. Hey, girl. Okay, let's stick on the lashes. We're gonna do thick lashes. Vam, vam, voom.
Comes together.
I know, right? Duct tape to take it off. No, Queen A. She's A. Wow. Liner time. Let's see. Yes, girl. I like it. It's long and it's not thick, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fine.
So this is NW50. I'm gonna continue. Photo. You know.
Yeah.
I don't even know his name. You see? That's how much I don't know.
There was Mayoka.
Stain. Liquid lipstick. Can still see that one here. It's fine. I think it's gone. That's it. So my girl can shine. Yeah. Wow, that glow. Look at that glow. Wow. Okay, let's do the tip of the nose. You're feeling like a movie star. Okay. To make it shine, it's already nice and silky, very beautiful hair. Ready? Ta-da! What? Lace? This is not lace. Because you know when you tie your hair, where the foundation did not touch, that's it. Apart from that, we are slaying to the gods. Wow, girl, you're laid. Just using the foundation to blend the corners. I know, right? I know, right? I think nobody can talk to you. Your mom can talk to you though. Only your mom. Slayed. Wow. That lash is man. Yeah, so girl, here we are. That's the hair done. Let's show you guys the pattern. Pattern on fleek, hair on fleek, everything on fleek. Let's show you guys the hair. Look at that movement. That's the finished look. Eva hair is so pretty. Look at that hair. Look at that, guys. Beautiful hair. As always, link to Eva hair is gonna be in the description box, okay? Check them out. Link is in description box. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, nice and sleek. Beautiful hair. Yeah. Are you happy with your look? Are you happy? Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check Eva hair in the description box. Until next time. Bye.